Hey friends, I'm in Wisconsin now. Heavy snowfall is going here. Last whole night, uh, this kind of things happening. Now -8 degree. No, now the snow is downing the earth from the last right. Can you see how it is here? All right. Wow! You want to have some snow? I want to give you. Yeah, this is a snow. Wow! Woo! Yes. La. Snow. Here. Can you see here? Yeah. Woo. Hey, now I'm cleaning the car of my brother, Michael Scott. Yeah.
He's doing a great job. A very great job.
Right.
We're on our way to the train station so that Pastor Justin can go to Mount Prospect near Chicago, closer to Chicago.
Yeah. This is the train station. I'm waiting for the train. Yeah. The train will come from. Yeah. This is both train will come from the station. We are waiting for the train here. I'm waiting for a train. Now the train is on the way. Everyone out there closing their doors. I'm going in this train right now.